Hello kids, let's learn some colors, then reading and writing A B C D. Okay. Violet color, red color, yellow color, pink color, light pink color, black color, sea green color, light green color, white color, blue color, sky blue color, brown color, orange color, green color. A, red color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for ball. B for ball. C for chocolate. C for chocolate. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for guava. G for guava. D H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. P for pen. P for pen. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rat. R for rat. S for sunrise. S for sunrise. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for vulture. V for vulture. W for watch. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.